Kaizink. Today I'm showing you how to print a DTF film using Garment Creator. So once you have Garment Creator open, we're going to determine whether we're using a black garment or a color garment. So you're going to look at what you have in your job and either select mirror image black garment or mirror image color garment. In this case, we're going to use the black garment. So next we're going to go ahead and locate our print file. In most cases it's either going to be in the Inksoft order or Corebridge order folders under the corresponding order folder in the production folder. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab the file that we want to print here, which is going to be a full back, and it's a PNG, so we're just going to drag it out onto this blue rectangle here. Alright, that looks good. So I would start with just printing one just to make sure everything looks okay, but this is where you would change the quantities right here. So go ahead and just click print, and then after about a minute or so it's going to send the data to the printer, and this will appear on the screen. It's going to say place shirt and press the blue button to start printing. So as long as your film's taped down and you're ready to go ahead and just click the blue button. It's going to go ahead and pull this in and start the printing process. Once it's complete and comes back out, just go ahead and release the tape, grab your film. You're not going to want to touch the ink, and you're just going to keep it ink up, move it over here to the heat press. I just have a blank sheet here just ready to go, just to keep this video short. And you're going to be at full temp, so 315, and we're just going to hover it for about 30 seconds here. And we want to make sure that this parchment paper doesn't touch the print. So we're just going to go ahead and pull it down and hover it, and we're just going to watch this timer here. And so once it gets to 15, we're just going to raise it just enough to reset that timer and bring it back down. Okay, so we're going to bring it up, and then we're going to bring it back down, and again just making sure that we aren't touching that parchment paper to the print. And what this is doing is it's removing excess moisture from the print, getting it ready to move over to the powdering process. So at this point you're just going to go ahead and grab your film. You're going to want to make sure that you aren't touching the ink. This is going to be kind of difficult from here. So if there was ink on here, you would want to make sure you're not touching it, and then you bring it over to the powdering station over here. Thanks for watching.